Hi, Teacher Rachel here. Welcome to the Confusing Words Show. There are some words in English that people mix up a lot, like scared and scary, or fun and funny. So let's look at these words. What's the difference between scared and scary? The difference is people feel scared. Things are scary, and sometimes other people are scary. For example, I feel scared of the scary bear. She was scared of the scary witch. Do you see the difference? People feel scared, and other people or things are scary. So things or people that are scary make people feel scared. Now let's look at the words fun and funny. Fun means having a good time. Things are fun. The park is fun. The playground is fun. Traveling is fun. Soccer is fun. People have fun. Funny makes us laugh. That movie was so funny. The dog is funny. It makes me laugh. People can be funny. Ah ha ha, she is so funny. She makes me laugh. Now, can something that is fun also be funny? Yes, but they are two different things. My best friend is so much fun. That means I have a good time with my best friend. My best friend is so funny. That means my best friend makes me laugh. I hope this was helpful. Now, do you understand the difference between fun and funny and scared and scary? I hope so. See you next time.